have a suggestion. It's just a suggestion. You guys don't have to do it, but I really think we should do it. Let's retire the entire term wash and go, and let's replace it with the term wash and set. Really quick, let's talk about our video's sponsors, Skillshare. Skillshare is the online learning community with over 3,000 classes in literally every area, every category you could possibly think of. Right now, I am taking this amazing one by Eugenia Washington, and it's on confidence for creatives. 5 exercises to grow your confidence and self-care, and I absolutely love it because this job as a creator is not for the weak of heart. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description box below will get a 30-day trial. You cannot miss this. Because the main reason that most women have so much mechanical damage, remember, we have heat damage, which most people know about, then we have chemical damage, and then we have mechanical damage. Most naturals suffer from mechanical damage, and this is simply because we think that water is the best thing for our hair. Yes, water makes plants grow. If you put too much water on a plant, the roots of that plant will rot. So please understand that your hair is the same way. The water, too much water and too much hydration on the root of a plant causes rot, and on the hair shaft, too much hydration or too much water on the hair shaft actually causes moisture overload or hydro fatigue. Okay, so that is the difference. I really want everybody to be cautious of that. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you wearing your natural hair, but before you just walk outside with wet hair, with your hydrogen bomb broken, which is the equivalent to you going outside with wet skin with your pores open, is exactly the same thing. Your cuticle is your hair's pore, and when your hair is wet, the cuticle is open. The key is not to seal the cuticle. Sealing the cuticle is actually a really bad thing. What you want to do is cause the cuticle to relax. A relaxed cuticle does what it's supposed to do. It opens when it's supposed to release dirt or bacteria and absorb moisture, and then once it gets enough moisture, it can close on its own the way God made it to. You just need it to be relaxed, not locked, not sealed. Those are not words that you want to use when we're talking about our hair. So I want us to retire the term wash and go for wash and set. And when we're talking about you want to seal the hair shaft or seal moisture in, you want to relax the cuticle. And once the cuticle is relaxed, if the cuticle is relaxed and the scalp is clean, then your relaxed cuticle lets that natural powerful sebum go from the scalp all the way down the hair shaft to help you retain your length. So wash and set, what we're gonna do, you can do everything the same exact way, but instead of you know, getting up in the morning and washing your hair, make sure you have your wash day on one day of the week. So pick a wash day, and then on that day you can still do your 2-strand twist. But go watch this video. Remember everything that I said, the 5 products that you need. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you go watch that video. But one question that was asked was like, okay, well, what exactly do we do if we want to wear our natural curls? Well, what you can do, your 5th product won't be a butter. Your 5th product would be a mousse. You have shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and then foam. So the serum goes from number 4 to number 5. You're going to use the foam wrap, and then with the foam wrap, all you would do is take a piece of your hair, right? So let's say this is where we put in the foam. I'm not putting it on my braids, but imagine, and then what you would do is go ahead and twist the braid, right? Or do your twist, whatever you're gonna do, and then sit under a hooded dryer. Sit under a hooded dryer. And this is the thing, if you're doing everything that you're supposed to, normally y'all wash day is taking y'all 9 hours anyway. Guaranteed this will not take that long. Just washing your hair, and you've already oil detangled before if it was tangled. Okay, you've done your scientific brushing. If you confused, links in the description box below and all of that stuff. And so your hair isn't even tangled to begin with, really, but if it is, I'm not judging you, you know. So your oil detangling, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, foam wrap, and then you're going through and putting those twist ends, sitting under a dryer for a minute, and then once your hair dries, then you follow up with a serum as you take your curls apart. Bada boom, bada bang, bada boom. And then this way your hair went safely from alpha keratin to beta keratin. I'm not telling y'all that the only way you can get your hair safely is if you blow drying it. What I'm saying is you need to make sure that your hair has a healthy pattern before you set it in beta. Y'all setting your hair in beta keratin while it's all matted and tangled and stuff, so yeah, you getting a whole bunch of breakage. But go ahead and use a foam wrap. So it's a, let's do a wash and set. Remember, back in the day, or if you still go to the shop, we can say wash and set, just like we got a roller set or flexi rod set or a straw set. We can do a wash and set. That's cool. And then moreover, a real official wash and set, because technically to twist it, that's not a wash and go. You really just want to go, same thing, instead of you packing your hair with a bunch of butters and gels and stuff, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, foam wrap, and then once you go ahead and do your same thing, you know, instead of you using gel, use a foam wrap. I'll leave a link in the description box below to my favorite foam wraps on my Amazon store. And you literally just wrap your curls the same way you would do with your product with the foam wrap, and then you get a diffuser. Get a diffuser, and what a diffuser does, it'll dry your hair without disturbing your curls. So let's say you got it like super cute already, you got your edges slicked and everything, you can just put the scarf on around your head and then style your hair the way you want to with your foam. And with the foam, mind you, the foam, the molecules are small enough, it's not gonna block the follicle or nothing. It's just helping set your hair. It's helping you with your wash and set. So you set in the hair with the diffuser. Is not, there's no difference between you doing that and getting a roller set. The only difference, the diffuser, the heat source is the blow dryer and the diffuser, and with the dryer, but you getting a roller set, the heat source is the hooded dryer, and then you're setting your hair in from alpha keratin, the hair in wet in its natural state, to beta keratin, the new form that it's in, stretched and over the roller. It's the same thing. But then if you want to wear your natural hair, like I said, style it like normal with the foam and then hit it with that diffuser. Once your hair is dry, you can follow up with your serum and detangle those curls. Boom. Still only 5 products, even if you doing a wash and go, I'm telling you. And then, I mean, if you feel like your hair is, you know, you need a little bit more stuff to manage it, there's nothing wrong with using a gel or something like that. But I will say the only people who should be using flaxseed gel are people with high porosity hair. If you have low to medium porosity hair, you should not be using flaxseed nothing on your hair, because you can use flaxseed oil, and as a herb, this is a fact, okay? You can use flaxseed oil to finish wood, okay? So using flaxseed oil on low porosity hair that already has a tight cuticle is like choking your hair shaft. So that's something I really want you to keep in mind. But I really hope this video made sense. Let's switch it from wash and go to wash and go set your butt under a dryer, or set up the diffuser and dry them curls. Okay, so